can be hard to know which books are the best for entrepreneurs, even harder to keep up with the latest trend in business. Russell Brunson is an entrepreneur extraordinaire and has written various best-selecting books about entrepreneurship. Watch this video till the end to learn more about the best books for entrepreneurs and get some tips from Russell Brunson himself. By the end of this video, you'll have comprehensive understanding of which books you need to learn to stay ahead of the curves in the world of entrepreneurship. Hey everyone, I'm Yogesh, an affiliate marketer, and I run a YouTube channel and a blogging website with the same name, Utilize Your Business. As a beginner affiliates marketers who wants to be successful, you can follow me on my YouTube channel and blogging website to learn more about affiliate marketing. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for a notification of new videos, and our video starts now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 3 best books for entrepreneurs in 2021. Let me ask those of you who are watching this video, have you read any of the books on entrepreneurship in 2021? Write in the comments yes or no. Are you looking for the best books for entrepreneurs in 2021? Then look no further than .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets. Russell Brunson wrote these books and they will teach you everything you need to know about starting and scaling your own business. Whether you're just getting started or already an experienced entrepreneurs, these books will help you take your business to the next level.
Next level.
If you're an entrepreneur, you know that it takes more than a great idea to succeed. You need to have the right mindset, willingness to work hard, and ability to adapt and grow consistently. And while there is no single formula for success, there are certain books that can help you give you the edge you need to succeed. Here are 3 of the best books for entrepreneurs in 2021 that stand out for me. The first one is .com Secret. This book is packed with actionable strategies for growing your business online. Whether you are just getting started or already a successful online entrepreneur, this book is packed with actionable strategies that will teach you how to get more traffic, convert more leads, and scale business to new heights. If you're an entrepreneur, this is a must-read book. Brunson talked about the importance of creating a sales funnel, which is a system that will help you turn leads into customers. He also stresses the importance of offering value to your customer and build relationships. In addition, Russell Brunson talks about the importance of testing and tracking your results so you can constantly improve your conversion rate. Overall, I found .com Secret to be an informative, helpful book that taught me how to build a successful online business. So the next book on our list is Expert Secret. In this book, Russell Brunson reveals the secret to creating a mass movement of people who are passionate about your message. If you want to build a tribe of dedicated followers and change the world with your ideas, then this is the book for you. I'm happy to recommend Russell Brunson's Expert Secret as one of the best books for entrepreneurs in 2022. In this book, Russell Brunson shares his secret for building a successful business, and he does so in a way that is both accessible and informative. Expert Secret is all about helping you turn your passion into viable business. Russell Brunson walks you through the process of finding your hero journey, in which your journey is to become a successful entrepreneur. He also helps you understand the importance of creating a mass tribe of people who believe in what you're doing. This book is essential reading for anyone who wants to turn their passion into a business. It's full of actionable advice and inspirational stories from some of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world. Expert Secret is a great place to look for if you're looking for a roadmap to success. So if you're looking for a helpful and information read, add this to your list. Expert Secret. Moving along to our next in the book, it's Traffic Secret. There are many different books that entrepreneurs can read to help them grow their business. However, Traffic Secret by Russell Brunson is often cited as one of the best books for entrepreneurs for getting traffic. In Traffic Secret, Russell Brunson provides an insightful and comprehensive guide to generating traffic for your business. Brunson draws on his vast experience in online marketing to offer readers practical advice that you can immediately implement for your business business to grow your website traffic. In addition to providing actionable steps, Brunson also offers detailed explanation of how traffic works, making Traffic Secret an essential read for anyone who wants to understand the mechanics of online marketing better. By the end of the book, readers will understand how to generate website traffic and convert it into sales. For all these reasons, Traffic Secret is widely considered as one of the best books for entrepreneurs in 2022. So there you have it, 3 of the best books for entrepreneurs in 2022. Whether you're just getting started or already on a path to success, these books will help you take your business to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Pick a copy and get started today. Moving on, let's talk about why these books are great for entrepreneurship. Those of you who are still watching this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video. Was it an eye-opener on regarding these 3 books? And let me know if you have read any of these books already. So let's talk about why these books are so great for entrepreneurs. The first one, going back to .com Secret by Russell Brunson. This book is all about how to build a successful online business. Brunson covers everything from choosing the right niche to create a compelling content and driving traffic to your website. When it comes to online marketing, few people are more qualified to offer advice than Russell Brunson. In his book, .com Secrets, Brunson draws upon his vast experience in the industry to provide entrepreneurs with all the tools they need to succeed. One of the key points of the book is the importance of building a strong relationship with your customer. Brunson emphasized the need to understand what your customer wants and then go above and beyond to deliver it. He also provides practical advice on generating traffic and converting leads into sales. In .com Secret, Russell Brunson provides helpful strategies for entrepreneurs who wants to build successful online business. One key strategy is to focus creating a value for your customer. This means offering a products and service that they need and want, and providing them an exceptional level of customer service. Another important strategy is to create a sales funnel, which is a system that helps you convert prospects into customers. By creating a sales funnel, you can more effectively market to your target audience and increase your chance of making sale. These are just 2 of the many strategies that Brunson discussed in this book, which is essential for reading anyone who wants to build a successful online business. Whether you are just starting out in online marketing or you are looking to take your business to the next level, .com Secret is a must read. The next book we're going to talk about, of course, is Expert Secret. Why is this great? In this book, Russell Brunson reveals the secret of successful online marketing. He covers a topic like creating an authority and turning prospect into a customer. This is a must-read if you want to take your online business to a next level. Many people consider Russell Brunson a marketing genius, and his book, Expert Secret, is full of revolutionary ideas that can help entrepreneurs take their business to next level. In his book, Brunson lays out the step-by-step process of turning an idea into a successful reality. He also shares his secret for building a successful business, including creating a powerful brand, generating leads, and turning those leads into customers. In his book, Russell Brunson lays out the step-by-step process for creating and marketing a successful products or services. He explains the importance of finding your hero's journey, or the story that will make your product or service unique. Next, he outlines the importance of building a mass movement of people who are passionate about your message. Finally, he provides strategies for turning your followers into customers for your brand. By following Russell Brunson's advice, entrepreneurs can create a brand that resonates with people and build a loyal following. Expert Secret should be on top of your list if you're looking for the best book for entrepreneurs. It has helped already countless entrepreneurs achieving their dreams, and it can do same for you. So make sure, if you don't have it, order this Expert Secret or put this on your list. Let's talk about Traffic Secret by Russell Brunson. As the title suggests, this book is all about generating traffic to your business website. Brunson provides actionable strategies to getting more visitors to your site, whether it's through search engine optimization, social media, or paid traffic. If you're looking for a new ways to drive traffic to your site or your business, this is the book for you. Russell Brunson provides a comprehensive guide to generating website traffic in his book Traffic Secret. He covers various topics from search engine optimization to social media marketing. However, the core of his message is that entrepreneurs need to focus on providing value to their audience. This means creating interesting and informative content, offering products and service that solves real problems. By following these principles, Brunson argues entrepreneurs can build an audience of loyal followers who will spread the word about their business. While there is no silver bullet for generating website traffic, Brunson's advice provides a roadmap for success. Whether you are just starting with online marketing or you have been at this for a while, Brunson's book will give you an insight to you need to take your traffic generation efforts to a next level. Now let's talk about how you can get hold of all these three books that I talked about: .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets. Those of you who are still watching this video, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notification for all the new videos that come out with this video. Now going back to the best way to get your hands on the .com Secret, Expert Secret, and Traffic Secret book is go to their website and order them. I'll put the link in the description and you can check it out individually. You can also find this book at some bookstores or online retailers, Amazon, etc. However, if you want to get the most value of your money, it is best to order them directly from the website. This way you'll be able to take advantage of any special offers or discounts. Plus, you can be sure that you're getting the most recent edition of each book. For example, this book, you can only get it if you ordered it through their website. And also the part of it, you can also get this, the Trilogy offer. That can be only done if you order it through their website. Whether you are an experienced internet marketer or just getting started, these books will provide valuable information and insight. So don't wait any longer. Order your set today, right now. If you are entrepreneurs and you know what it takes more than just a great idea to succeed. You need the right mindset and willingness to work hard, the ability to adapt and grow consistently. And while there is no single formula for success, certain books can help you give edge you need to succeed. In this video, I went over 3 of the best books for entrepreneurs in 2022. So if you're looking for some new reads to help you get ahead in business, be sure to check these titles out. Again, the link is in the description. Make sure you go to their website and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video on the best books for entrepreneurs in 2022. If you're looking for a more great video as a beginner affiliate marketer to achieve business success, be sure to check out my next video where I discuss the 7 best profitable niches for affiliate marketing 2022. This video is somewhere on the screen. Click the link, check it out. Thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.